And what is up, everybody? Jeremy here, excited to bring to you another Starfield Creation Kit tutorial video. This is tutorial number 15 coming at you. This one's all about sitting on toilets. We're going to have NPCs sit on toilets. We're going to have you as the player sit on a toilet and show you some different things on aspects that you could apply to other objects, but we're going to use toilets today. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as everything does help out. And don't forget, this is part of an entire tutorial series where if you're learning to mod and learning how to use the creation kit for the very first time, be sure to check out the beginning of this tutorial series. It'll help you get started, get you all set up, and you'll be able to create your very first mod in about 30 minutes. And then continuing on the progression of the tutorial series, it'll teach you how to use more features and aspects of the tools that are available in the creation kit and how to do certain things along in it as I continue to learn how to use it as well. So that's how it's working. So yes, let's talk about what we're doing today. We're creating toilets. Let's see what data we're using right now. We have the Starfield.esm, the SFBG S006 is from all the new habs we were working. So this is technically not needed, but just continuing on the files that we're using. And of course, we have our asset master file that I've been using this whole time. So we're just going to cancel out of that because it's already loaded. Now, the place that we're currently at right now, all right, so we are actually using the ship cell that we just created. So this is at the space station or star station that we are at. We have our exterior and interior cell. So we're currently at the interior cell. And the first thing we're going to do is realize that this place doesn't have any lights. Doesn't have any decent lights. So we're going to add some lights to it. At least just here, and then we're also going to do a nav mesh because that's really important because we're going to place NPCs in here as well to interact with the toilets. So let's set that up, these two pieces up so that let's look up over here. We're going to just look up default light. Just use the standard default light. There it is, default light 1. Bring this in, and we're going to bring it up. And I think this is the middle. That's good enough. And I'm just going to duplicate it. Move one here. Duplicate. Oops. Hold on. Okay. Make sure I click the right thing. Duplicate. Move this to the side over here. And I think that should be sufficient for what we're trying to do. So yeah, we're just going to put a bunch of toilets here. We're going to have these like facing each other because that's how we use the toilet. We look at each other in the eyes and use the toilet at the same time. Nav mesh. Let's go up to our nav mesh piece right here. We're going to just go nice and easy. We're going to select the option where we can just generate the nav mesh automatically. Here's our nav mesh tool. Let's just hit OK. We have our nav mesh generating right here. And there's the nav mesh. Perfect. We'll use it. We'll take it. Close out a nav mesh. Let's add some toilets. All right. Toilets. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay. So let's go into our text filter. We currently have our filter set to all. Let's look up toilet. And we're going to look for the bath in toilet 01 static. Let's go ahead and bring that in. Hey, what's up there, toilet? We got some toilets in the house. So how are we going to set this up? We are, jeez. So I want one. So let's make one that's like the headmaster toilet, right? We're going to have this guy here. So I'm going to show you like 3 different options of models that are being used. Actually, let's make that straight. And then let's rotate it. Right, so 3 different models. Right? Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Can I do this right? All right, okay. Select both of these, duplicate it one more time, hit C. We're going to move both of these down. All right, we have our toilet sanctuary going on. Okay, so we're going to show you an NPC model first. We're going to put an NPC model right here. All right. So what I'm going to do is look up on the side. I'm going to look up NPC and asterisk sit. Invisible NPC terminal sitting. No. NPC console sitting. So yeah, you still have the chairs here. Yeah, that's right. So invisible chair, sit free, but I don't want him to sit free. I want him to actually like look like he's doing something. Like what should he be doing? Reading. Yeah, you read sitting. Oh, there's a table in front of that. Hold on, we don't want that. I want invisible. So I want one of the invisible ones, and it's going to be invisible bench sit. Wait, I thought I had more. Hold on, let me just look at the. Let me actually go to the select object in tree view, so I know where all these are at. So we're in furniture. Okay, cool. Let's just remove asterisk sit. Okay, so let's look at NPC invisible sit no desk tablet bench tablet. Tablet. That's what we want. Just to have them look at a tablet. So now we bring out that model and just line it up to the NPC, or line up to the toilet. So that's our NPC model. He's gonna be looking at a tablet while sitting. So yeah, and notice how like these little circles. That's important. So that means he can enter onto the toilet from all those directions. Cool. Next up, so that is the NPC inventory or invisible chair sit tablet. So this is one thing that only NPCs can use. Just FYI, that's one thing that only NPCs can use. So as you as a player, you can't interact with that model on that sitting on that toilet, right? You cannot interact with this one. Now, there is some interesting piece that's like crowd sit. All right. So we're gonna do this one. NPC inventory crowd sit chair sit table eat drink. No right. That's fine. Yeah. So that means enter from left or right. So this basically imagine a table that's at like a restaurant where one side is blocked but one side is not. So we're gonna bring this in here. We're gonna have this sit at this one right here. So he can walk in from the right. Perfect. Exactly where I want him to be. But he's gonna be eating or drinking stuff. So we want to make sure that this guy has a table. So yeah, let's add a table to it. But yeah, what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to duplicate this one. No, actually, let's do the one from the left. Sure. So like they come in from this side. Yeah. So I think orange is still okay. If it's when it's red, it's like, yeah, you can't go in. Oh, maybe it is orange. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. All right, there you go. I think that's good. I just need to move it up forward a little bit. Move it up forward. Oops. I'm going to grab it. Oh, I was grabbing the top. It's like, oh, man, the floors. Okay, so there you go. So those two are set. All right, so this is crowd chair. So interesting things about NPC like crowd-based models, the player can still use it. All right, so I'm going to keep this one empty. I'm going to place an NPC on this one, NPC on that one, and then the last one, we're actually going to, I could delete this one for now, actually. I'm going to double-click on it. We're going to create a new base. So this is another method to add a model, interactable model to a furniture piece, so you can use for anything, pretty much anything that you can use a relatable model to. So hit edit base. I'm going to create a new one. So this is going to be the Jane Ramos Works bathroom, or bath in toilet. Display name toilet. Model is this, right? Oh wait, no, this is wrong. I'm going the wrong direction, guys. Wrong direction. Sorry. We need to take an object that already has a model set to it. So like, let me see. If I go through this again, right? If you look at this again, in edit base, right? I'm not able to apply a marker, right? An interactive marker here. It's just a static object. So we need to actually bring out something that already has a model to attach to it. And I'm going to look up AK for Aquila and then chair. AK underscore chair. Or maybe, okay, I need to go to all. I need to go back to all. Click on all. AK chair. Canvas chair. And canvas 01 free. All right, cool. No table. Bring this in. There it is. See now this specific. Oh, jeez, I can't go up. It's like I got to remember that there's a little ceiling here. All right. Okay. So let's move this here. going to double click on it. All right. We're going to edit the base. So now this one has a active marker. That's what I'm looking for, an active marker that we can use. All right, so that's what we're using, and we have a furniture template set here. Okay, so first things first, let's call this something else. So jramosworks underscore toilet sit. All right, toilet sit. All right, full name is going to be toilet. Native terminal, no. Model. So with this, we're going to change it to the toilet. So go to furniture. I believe it's furniture. Meshes furniture. Or set dressing. Set dressing. Bathroom. Right? Bathroom? Or is it bathrooms? Bathrooms. Bath in toilet 01. Perfect. That's what I want. Boom. That's a toilet. Hit OK. And we're going to actually remove the furniture template. All right, so you see this right here. See, it's the chair still, even though I changed the model. So I'm going to take off the furniture template, set this to none. So what's happening is that right here, active marker, I can't click on it because it's using a template. So I'm going to remove this template, set to none. Now this one's available for me to click on and edit the positions. And as you can see, the toilet is currently backwards. What is up, man? So yeah, so rotation, we need to flip it to 180. All right, 180. Now it looks like he's straddling the toilet. That's cool. And then X, or I think it's Y, since it's backwards, so it's now negative 45. That's pretty good. Yeah, we'll take it. So we'll hit OK. Let me see. Let me look at this. Let me look at this. Flags. Anything you need? Look at flags here. It's marker. No. All right, that's it. Hit OK. Right there. Hit OK right there. Boom. Create a new form. Yes. We have the jramosworks toilet sit. Toilet sit. Okay. I know I hit OK. It's loading. There it is. All right, cool. Hit OK here. And this should change it. Yeah, it did. Perfect. So it changed it to what it needed to be. Let's go ahead and rotate this. So this guy. So what's interesting. No, this is right. This is right. This is right. Okay, cool. So I'm going to duplicate one more of these. Move it back here. So the left side will be player interaction. The right side will be NPCs. And this guy will be NPC only. And you'll see those little differences. I actually forgot I need to put table here. So let's go ahead and put a table. AK table. Because they need to have something to eat on. AK table set. Hold on. No. Just put table. Or AK. Let's do AK asterisk table. No. Nothing long. Coffee. Alright, sure. Or table set. Is that good? Let's make it bigger. So hold S. Drag it up. Alright, cool. That works. That works. Duplicate one of these. Oh no, you know what? I think I just want. Let's do the coffee table. How about that? Yeah. And then we'll just make it bigger. Come and join us at our table. Okay, their legs are gonna clip into this. That's okay. Is that okay? That's okay, right? It's like I don't think I'm second guessing myself. Is it okay though? Is it though? Fine. Let me find something else. Aquila's side table. Hey, we'll just use this. I'm guessing that should be right. Oh, there's the bar. See that blue bar right there? Let's line it up to like about there. All right, cool. Hey, duplicate it. All right. And this guy, we can have this guy come up closer now. All right. We did him and this. Come to the table. Okay. Let me see. I mean, if the front Yeah, so as long as he's able to get in from the sides, he should be fine. And these guys are just like, hey, what's up? Should I change it? Yeah, let's move it up. Fine. Move it up a bit closer. There we go. All right. Toilet meeting is now going to be in session. So now we just need our NPCs, right? So let's actually, yeah. Okay, so just FYI with NPCs, what you want to do is set up everything first and bring in an NPC clean. Like just drag and drop, clean them in. If you, you can duplicate that before you actually connect the NPC to something else. You can duplicate it there, but once you like have an action already established with it, you probably don't want to duplicate it from that one model anymore. You probably want to drag and drop. So yeah, it's like start clean and don't reuse anything else, or don't reuse it or duplicate it if it's already being attached to something or already has some actions to it. So what I'm going to do is have 1, 2, 3 NPCs in here. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and look up on the text filter, J Ramos Works, asterisk NPC. All right. So we have the security. So this one, the 001. So I made that one generic. So I'm going to able to just bring him in there and see that it's based on a template. So that's perfect. It's not using the original. It's based on a template. And then I'm just going to duplicate it. Let me go full screen. So there you go. So I'm just going to click it, duplicate it once right here. Oh, see, I should make this floor like invisible, but oh well. Duplicate it again right here. Okay, now double click on it and set a linked reference. So right click, hit new. So again, just show you, I'm in the linked reference tab. Right click, hit new. Select reference in render window. Which one I'm looking at? This one. So this guy's going to go here. He is the head. All right, reference, hit OK, and make sure you click on force persist. Perfect, and hit OK on the bottom, like right here, like on the bottom tab. I'm going to double click on this just in case, because sometimes I noticed that the force persist got, all right, we're good. Sometimes I saw that got unclicked somehow. So that's the order. Drag them in, duplicate as many times as you need, and then set them up to where their link is supposed to be. All right, so let's do this guy, linked reference, and click on force persist last. So I noticed that if I hit this and then set up the reference and hit OK, sometimes this becomes unchecked. So let's hit new. Select reference. It's going to be this one. Hit OK. Hit OK. And let's double check again. Wait, I didn't hit force persist. There it is. Hit force persist. Now let's hit OK. And double click again. Double check. Yeah, all right, we're good. Perfect. Close that one out. Last guy. Double click. And then right click new. We're going to select reference in window. It's this one. So this one's the standard mark coming off of the models from the drop down. So it's not NPC. It's more directed toward player, but both NPCs and players can use it. All right. There you go. Toilet sit. Perfect. Hit OK. And that's it. That's all we need for here. They're going to hit save over here. Let's go ahead and save it. Actually, let's do one more nav mesh. Since now we have new furniture, let's do another round of the nav mesh generation. So this area is pretty standard. So I feel comfortable with the nav mesh generation. So I don't know. Sometimes it's bad. Like it's not optimized at all. So there, it made cutouts for all the objects. So that's what we wanted, just in case. All right, we should be good. We should be good. All right, saving. Let's go ahead and load up a game and see what we did. Okay, so we loaded it into our ship first before going into the space station, because sometimes the cell needs to refresh itself. So let's load in directly versus loading in within the cell of the star station, space yard. And now these guys should be walking into place, or try to walk into place. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-huh, is right. Do you need to get into the front? Is
Yes.
that what's going on? Though this guy should be going in anyway. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go. Let's exit and come back in. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay, it's still kind of dark in here. I thought the lights would be more helpful. Anyway, all right. So this guy sitting in the toilet. So that's the player one. So I should be able to sit there. Perfect. This one is the crowd-based one. So I can sit. So that's set as a chair.
Okay. Hello.
Wait, there. Chair. Okay. Toilet. So there's a chair too. So I can sit on this one. All right. So this is the crowd-based one.
Excuse me.
NPC crowd-based
Hey.
model or marker. So that's an interactive marker.
Okay. Hello.
And this one, right? This one right here, I don't have. This is NPC only, right? That's the only NPC marker. So that's interesting stuff right there. So these two, you can sit anything that kind of identifies the place that you can sit. But this one, the NPC only. How should I label it? Because this one's NPC crowd here. But this one, just NPC. So NPC only, I guess, is that the best way to say it?
Yes.
So yeah, multiple options. This one we're editing a chair, but using a model of a toilet instead. This one's just putting a marker on the toilet.
Hello.
Like all three of these are just markers on a toilet. So there you go, everybody. That is toilet sitting 101. But yeah, that should be helpful in terms of just, all right, understanding, all right, what can you interact with as a player? What can these people only interact with as NPCs? So NPCs can interact with, like, pretty much any marker. It seems like any kind of like, positional marker. They can interactive marker. They can interact with it. They just can't. We just can't interact with NPC only based markers. So yeah, hope that's helpful, guys. I thought it's like going through this. There are several revelations in my mind, in my head. It's like I didn't realize. Oh, the NPC crowd. You can use it. I'm really wondering about these lights right now. it's like, huh. I thought there was gonna be more. Anyway, so yes. If you have any questions, please let me know, guys. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. By the way, there was a toilet sit marker. I don't like it though. I'll be honest, I don't like it. So if you're looking to just add different markers to it, well, let me just show you. Let me just show you before we move on. There is a toilet marker in the game. So let's go to it. So let's see. Let's go ahead and delete this one for now. Let's bring out another one, like just toilet marker. Oh wait, I want the toilet. Yeah, just want the toilet. And let's see here. Let's do two. So let's delete this NPC marker. Let's delete this guy for now. Let's do two because I'm interested about this other toilet marker. So let's look up toilet, and then sit. I think is that what it was? Yeah, there it is. Ship toilet sit 01 furniture. So there is a furniture piece for it. So there it is. Let's do one here. And let's duplicate it. So one more check, everybody. One more check just to make sure how good we are on this. And so it was really weird how these guys weren't able to sit in when I first walked into the cell, but I walked in, walked out, walked back in, and they were able to sit in. So I thought that was interesting. So let's see. What I need another. So once again, the other NPCs are already set with something. So I want to duplicate. I want to go fresh for this guy on the side. I want to double check. Let me double click on this. Let me double click on this. Kind of get an idea. It's just a marker. So it's using an invisible trigger volume for the marker. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Double click on our NPC, make the ref, right click new, select in window, there's this one, and then hit OK, and then hit force persist, and then hit OK down there, and then we're saving it. All right, loading it up one more time. Let's load the game. Speed it up. All right, reloaded back from the ship. Let's go ahead and enter the space station. See what happens. It's like, I think I need to move the markers away, but yeah, but I don't know. It's kind of weird how this happens though. Like I thought they would just. Anyway, let's go ahead, exit, and come back in. See what happens. Oh, that's funny. I wonder if too it's a navmesh issue. I wonder if that's a nav. All right, so they all could use it. Oh, eating dinner on the toilet. Yeah, yeah, get it. Let's go ahead and sit in this chair. So I don't know why it spins though. I'm not sure why it spins with a specific marker. Alright guys, but beyond that, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, once again, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as everything does help out. And once again, don't forget that this is part of an entire tutorial series. So if you're wanting to learn how to mod and get into the creation kit for the very first time, be sure to check out the beginning of this series. It will help you out, get you set up right away, and you'll be able to create your very first mod in about 30 minutes. Beyond that, guys, there's a lot of tools along the way as we just getting the basics down, getting the foundation as we continually move on and work onto different facets of the creation kit to create other cool features in the game or like other content. So it's really cool stuff. It's really fun. I'm enjoying it and hope you enjoy it too. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining us. If you like, thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions for me, that's what I want to say. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. But beyond that, guys, have yourselves an amazing day. We will see you all next time. Peace out. And thank you so much for all love and support. As always, sending on the hearts, y'all. Without you, we just wouldn't be doing what we're doing. So thank you. See you again real soon, guys. Peace.